Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to create multi-row card in Power BI. So for this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. We'll select multi-row card from here. In my previous video, we have already discussed about the number card. Kindly refer the previous video to understand this. Now click on the multi-row card. The fields are to be specified. So let's pick up the category and drop it into the fields. Let's pick up the sales and drop it into the fields. The next thing which you can do is we can pick up the quantity and drop it into the fields. Now let's do the formatting of this multi-row card. Click on it, go on format your visuals, call out values. It's in black color. We can change it. Let's select any other color and see the color has changed. Moreover, the type of the font, the size of the font. We can make it bold, click, category labels. This color can also be changed. Let's pick up the another color. So sum of sales and sum of quantity color has changed. Just see here. Scroll and activate the cards. So office supplies, furnitures, they are in blue color. This color can also be changed. We'll pick up the another color and this time let's pick up the color has been changed. The font size can be increased or decreased. Style. The border position. Top. Where do we want the border? Top. Let me increase this. Width. Bottom. Left. Right. So we are having borders on all the four corners. Outline color. Which color do we want? Let's pick up the black color. The outline weight can be increased or decreased. The background color, do we require it or not? So if we activate it, take a light background color and that's done. And the padding, by increasing this number, the white portion will increase. Action bar, it is on. Now you can go in the general settings, properties. By increasing this number, the height of the chart will increase. By increasing this number, the weight of the chart will increase. Let's expand this. So we are having three categories. One, two, three. Position. By increasing this number, yeah, the multi-row card will shift on right hand side. This will shift the card towards the bottom. By increasing this number, the white portion on left hand side will increase. By increasing this number, the right side, the white portion will increase. Bottom and top. Advanced options, titles. The title can be specified here if we require it. Effects, the background effect if we want. Quite good. We can decrease this value. If you feel that the fonts are not visible, no need to worry. Go in call out values and make everything dark. That will be much better. So here, make it dark. Yeah, fine. This is much better. General properties, titles, effects we have done. Visual borders, do we require? Yes. Black color border with the rounded corners, that is also fine. Shadow, yes, we require shadow, and that's a black color shadow outside the bottom right. This can also be changed and we can make it top right and done. So this is the multi-row card. Now, how is it useful? Let's try to understand. We'll create another chart. It's a pie chart. Drag it. Now in the legend, again select the category. In the values, select the sales. Now see how this card will work. As soon as I click on furniture, it will activate that portion in the pie chart. Office supplies, technology. Moreover, just see the number card also. So all these three are working in congruence with each other. If I click on furniture, it will display the total sum of sales of furniture only, and that portion is only activated. Office supplies, technology. So this was all about the multi-card in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.